If you're an avocado fan, you have got to try avocado toast. Even if you've tried it at cafes, you may not realize how super easy it is to make it yourself. I'm going to show you how. All of these ingredients were from Basil Bandwagon Natural Market. To make the avocado French toast, start out by zesting your lemon. Place a small strainer in a bowl and get the juice out of the lemon. You'll only need a teaspoon, so you probably only need to juice about half of the lemon. Scoop out the avocado. Using a fork or a potato masher, mash the avocado. Add a few shakes of sea salt, about a teaspoon or so of lemon juice, and mash it again. And at this point you can also add black pepper, you can add cayenne if you like. Take a few slices of lightly toasted or grilled sourdough bread that's cut maybe half an inch thick or slightly thinner. And then I'm going to spread each piece with a generous amount of our avocado spread. So I hope you enjoyed learning how easy it is to make your own delicious avocado toast. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more weekly cooking videos. Thanks for watching.